Okay. Can you see
So
the
where can we get the recordings of the sessions?
recording? You need the recordings.
Yes.
Okay. Recordings actually it will be sent to after each and every session. We'll send the recordings to your registered mail ID. You haven't received anything.
Okay.
Okay.
You haven't received anything, or you haven't checked your mail.
Sir, I just get the mail that the session, the Hurry Up Ananya, the session will start in
Okay.
5 minutes
No,
or
no,
so,
no, no,
something
no, no. That
emails like this.
no, not that kind of mails. I'm talking about the mails recordings, session recording. Suppose yesterday's session I had recorded and I had converted that into the audio and video format, and I will be sending to my team, and they'll be sharing the same with you people to your registered email ID. I'm asking whether you got that or not. Did you check the mail or not? That is my question. Please check the mail. If you
Sir,
haven't.
I don't check regularly, but I check once I just got this mail only. I'll check again.
Okay, what about you, Anirudh? So I request you both after the session you check the mails. If you haven't got the mail,
Okay, sir.
I request my team to send the recordings from session 1 to session 10 fully. Okay, so that you can
Okay.
listen to them whenever you want. If you have any doubt in any of the particular concept or something like that. But Anirudh, I request you
Yes,
to
sir.
Okay, sir.
kindly do the assignment. Okay, Anirudh. Okay, can you see the screen? Can we start the
Yes, sir.
session? Okay, today's session will be on data handling and
Yes, sir.
Yes.
direct and inverse variation. Now tell me, Anirudh, what exactly is data handling is all about? Can you tell me what is data handling?
Uh, um, mm, showing it's like showing amount of data through bar graph, pie chart, uh, tally marks,
Okay, that is a part.
histograph.
Sir, I think visualizing the data.
Visualizing of data is a part of data handling. Generally, you will be represented data in the form of bar graphs, pie charts, and everything, and you will be asked to uh, calculate the average or percentage change or something like that. Okay. Those things, uh, those things are generally known as data handling. Okay. So we'll start directly with the question. Okay. And Ananya, yesterday you had posted some question in the Facebook, right? So not Facebook, WhatsApp group, and did you got the
Yes,
logic for direct and indirect variation?
Yes, sir.
It works like that only, Ananya. You just need to sit and analyze, okay?
Okay.
Situation based only. It's not that it
Yes, sir.
doesn't have any fixed thing like that. Just need to sit and analyze. I'll walk through some of the questions today also so that you'll understand. Okay. Try this question.
Okay, sir.
This is the first question of the day.
Range is
Can you tell me what exactly range is all about? You will be given some data. What is the formula for finding the
yes,
range?
sir.
yes, sir.
Highest value minus lowest value.
The lowest value.
That will give you the range, correct? Okay, in this case,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for the first question? Range.
Uh, 2.3, 2.2.
Yes.
2.3, 2.2.
Okay, tell me which is the highest observation here
Uh, sir,
3.1.
that is 3.1.
and lowest observation is
2.2.
2.2.
2. Yeah, 2.2.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it's 2.2?
Mm,
Yes, sir.
2.2. Okay. So the answer will be
it's
point.
not get.
The answer will be point
9.
right? So, but point 9 is not there.
Point
Actually, it
nine.
has been point 9.
Hmm.
So C will be
That
Yes,
the
only,
it
answer.
is.
sir.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking that. Actually, or we can do one thing. We can include one reading of point 1 for 2.1, or we can do like that. That will also give you the answer. Okay, how many baby weights are below 2.5 kg?
Three.
1, 2. Hmm.
3, right?
Yes, sir, 3.
3.
Yes, sir.
3 is absolutely correct.
Hmm.
How many babies weigh 2.8 kg? 1, 2,
2.
2, right? 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 is correct. We just need to frame the table. Frame the table, it goes like this: weight and the frequency. 2.2 is 1, correct? 2.3 is 1.
Yes,
2.4 is also 1.
1.
2.5 is 2.
2.5, the
2.
is a 2.
2.8
Two.
is 2.
Two.
Then 2.9 will be
2.6 is 1.
2.9 will be 2. Uh,
3 point,
3.0 will be 2, and 3.1 will also be 2. Correct?
3.02.
Sir, 3.0 is only one.
3.0 is 1.
Yeah.
One.
It is 1, and 3.1 also is 1, right?
And sir, 3.1 is also
3.1
one.
is also 1.
1. Okay. I'll ask you one question here. See,
Even 2. Hmm.
if okay, I'll ask you one simple question here. How many babies weigh weight more than 2.5 kgs? If that was the question,
Two.
what is the answer?
2 point.
2.5 kgs.
2.5.
How many babies weigh more than 2.5 kgs? If I ask that, what will be your answer?
6.
6, right?
6.
6. How
Yes,
6?
sir.
Six.
Can you explain how 6, Anirudh?
So because according to the frequency, some of it, but actually there is 2.6 and 2.7 and between,
Yeah.
so more will be there.
So
You must it out.
and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. They'll ask like that only. Okay. They'll not ask you. Some questions will not be straightforward. It will be greater than or less than or below or above, something like that.
Hmm.
Or they'll ask the mean value.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Try this question. The simultaneous throw of a pair of a die. Find the probability. Okay. What is a probability? First of all, tell me that, Anirudh. How will you define a probability?
So number of uh, possible how can I explain exactly? Mm, okay. The the chances of
Sir,
getting a thing upon maximum chances.
Okay, that is partly
may I
correct.
tell?
Yeah, tell Ananya. Tell me. Yeah, tell me, Ananya. What is the probability?
The answer I'm talking about.
You are talking about the answer. Okay, first tell me what is the probability. We'll go with the question. No problem. We have time.
The
First,
probability would be anything which may happen or may not, which can come or cannot.
okay. See, probability is generally an event is happening, and so probability of that event is generally defined as the ratio of the favorable cases of that event divided by the total number of cases. Correct?
Total number.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Can a probability be greater than 1? Anirudh?
Uh, sir? No.
Can a probability be greater than 1? Why? Why it can't be greater than
No.
1? Can you explain?
No, sir. Because one is the great highest.
That's what I'm asking. Why?
The,
Why?
yes, sir. Because one is the maximum level of in a probability.
My question is
It
not that.
can go
My
further.
question, it can't go further, you are saying, right? Why? That is my
Yes,
question.
sir.
That is my question. Why it can't go further?
Uh, mm, it There's uh,
See, I don't
there's no other option actually.
no other option in the sense you're not getting the point. See,
You're like
the point is, see, I told probability is the ratio of favorable number of cases divided by the total number of cases, right? For probability to be
yes sir.
greater, for the probability to be greater than one, then that ratio will be greater than one, correct? In that case,
Yes sir.
can a favorable number of cases be greater than the total number of cases? Definitely not, right? It can be equal only.
No.
It can't be
Yes
more
sir.
than that. Correct.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So probability can always be lesser than or equal to 1. It can never be greater than 1. Okay. Now
Okay.
in this question you throw a pair of die. Dice, you know dice, right? Have you played game Ludo, Snake and Ladders?
Yes sir.
Board games?
Yes sir.
Okay. Then tell me the answer
Yes
for
sir.
this question. A doublet of a prime number. Do you know what is a doublet?
Doublet? No sir. Like
Sir,
double?
may I tell?
Doublet is if you throw a pair of dice, and in both the dice, if you get the same number,
Okay.
then it's called a doublet. Now tell me, what is the doublet of prime?
Same number.
No, same number. That's called a doublet. Because double two dice you're throwing, and then the same number will be getting on two dice, right? So it is called doublet. Now tell me,
So
Anirudh,
option A.
what is the probability of getting a doublet of prime numbers? Option A. Are you
Sir,
sure?
option A, 1 by 4.
Wonderful. What is it?
Doublet, right? Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you sure? Is it 1 by 4?
Mm, a
Sir,
bit depends on.
may I tell?
Maybe 1 by 2. I'm not sure it's 1 by 4 or 1 by 2.
Okay, Ananya, explain to Anirudh.
May I tell?
Yeah, tell Ananya. Tell
Uh, 1/2.
1 by 2. How?
Sir, the the probability there are three prime numbers we have. Total outcomes are six in a dice,
Okay. What is the possible
and
outcome?
here it is there is pair of dice. Then the outcomes will be 12,
Are you sure?
and we
Sir,
have
I guess
prime
it's.
numbers.
Are you sure it's 12? It is not 12.
Then
What is the formula for a sample space of a die? It is 6 power n, correct? Where,
Yes, sir.
where n is equal to number of dice. Correct.
okay,
Yes, sir.
In this case, sample space will be what?
2, 2.
6 per what? N is equal
Yes.
to what here?
two dice in there.
So
2.
sample space will be 36, right?
36.
36.
So we can write sample
36,
space
sir.
as 1
Okay.
comma 1. These are the possibilities 1 comma 2 up to 1 comma 6. Correct. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 up to 2 comma 6, and it goes
2,
like
6.
3 comma 1,
3,
Okay.
6, 4, 1, 2, 6, 5,
5 comma 1.
6.
Okay, Shamant has joined the session. Shamant, good evening, Shamant. Can you hear me? 6 comma 6. So the total number of cases will be 36, right? In that, doublet of prime
Yes,
numbers.
sir.
Prime numbers can be what? 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, and
3,
3,3.
5.
5 comma 5.
5 comma
Correct.
5.
So
Then
So,
6,
total cases will be
3,
3,
so
3.
probability
3.
of
So, answer will be 1.
so 3 by 36. Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Favorable cases is 3.
1/12.
1 upon 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till 1 upon
Okay.
12. That is the answer. Try the next question.
Mm.
An even number.
Okay.
I hear you but can't talk with you, sir. Okay, Shaman, no problem. You can post the answer in the chat box. Not a problem. Post the answer in the chat box. Okay. An even number on
An
one
even
dice,
number on 1.
and a multiple of 3 on the other.
The even number.
Okay. What is the sample space here for this event?
36.
36 only. It will be the same, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Even number on one and a multiple of 3 on the other. Be careful.
Okay.
An even number would be 2, 4, and 6.
And another side 3 and 6. Divided by 8, so it should be 5.
And a multiple of 3 will be what?
Multiple
3
of
and 6.
3, 1.
Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is what? 3 comma
6.
3 comma 6, right? Only two numbers.
Yes.
2 numbers.
Tell me.
So
Hello?
Yes, tell me. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Ananya, tell me.
Sir, that will be
Anirudh, are you getting the Anirudh, are you getting the logic for this question?
not exactly, sir.
Not exactly.
Hmm.
Even after me explaining.
1 by 1, 2 by 2. Okay. 3 upon 36. It will be 6 upon
Okay.
3. The
You write the possible number of cases, you will get the answer. Okay. What can be the
Okay.
possible number of cases? It says, see, the problem says,
So
and
is it 1 by 6? Option C 1 by 6, I guess, according
1
to
by
the
6.
logic I took.
How will you get? How will you get 1 by 6? Can I explain?
Is it correct, sir?
1 by 6, you say your logic, whether I'll say whether it's correct or not. You first say how you got 1 by 6.
Yes, sir. So in first dice, there's even numbers. That is, three possibilities are there, which is 2, 4, and 6. And another one it is multiple of 3, that is 3 and 6. So I just multiply the numbers. Like here it is, in first dice there are three possibilities, and second dice there's 2. So I multiply 3 2 that is. So 6 upon 36, which is simplified as 1 by 6.
In that case, then it should be separate, right? A even number cases is 3, right? So it should be 3 by 36, and the multiple of 3 is 2 by 36, correct? We should multiply by 2
2 by
only.
2
36.
by
In that case, it will be
It will be 6.
no. In that case, it will be
6
1
by
by
6.
2 16, correct?
Okay.
That is not correct, Anirudh. That is not the correct approach.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you need to
Okay.
you need to jot down the uh, favorable number of cases, even number on one and multiple of 3. So it can be 2 comma 3 or 3 comma 2, correct?
Okay.
One option is that.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
It can be 2 comma 6 or 6 comma
Yes,
2,
sir.
correct? So it can be
Yes,
4
sir.
comma 3 or 3 comma 4, correct?
Yes.
It can be 4 comma
Yes,
6
sir.
or 6 comma 4, correct?
4,
It can be 6 comma
yes,
3
sir.
or
Yes.
3 comma 6, correct?
3.
And
Yes,
we
sir.
have we have a lone wolf 6 comma 6. If you reverse also it will be 6 comma 6, so it has no meaning. So favorable number of cases will be
Yes,
11,
sir.
correct?
11.
11 cases.
Okay, 11 upon 36.
So sample space is 36, so probability of the event is what?
Okay.
11
11 upon 36.
11 upon
11 upon
36.
36.
Okay.
Got it? You got the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Shaman,
Yes, sir.
Shaman, you got the logic. You reply me in chat box. Shaman? Okay, fine. Yeah, fine. We'll go with the next question. Neither 9 nor 11 are the sum of the numbers on the faces. neither lion nor lion. Be careful. It's neither nor. Okay.
Sum of the number of the faces.
Has or as?
The sum of the numbers on the faces. So, in order to be the sum to be 9, what can be the possibilities in a pair of dice? For 9, we'll take first. It can be 3, 6, 6, 3, correct?
Yeah.
6, 3.
4,
Yes.
4, 5.
5, 4.
Any other
5,
option?
4.
Any other option is left? If we go for 2 with the 1 die, then it should be 7 or
Yes,
8
sir,
dice.
3.
But 7 is not possible, right? We have only
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
6
7
numbers in the
possible.
dice. Okay. For 11, what are the possibilities? It is 5, 6.
The 5
So
and 6.
6 and 5.
6,
Any
5.
any other possibilities is there? No,
That's
right?
it.
So 4 plus 2 is
No, sir.
4 plus 2 is what?
6.
6.
So probability of getting 9
6 will be.
or 11 will be
Or
4 plus 2 by 36, which is 6 by 36
36.
or 1 by
1 upon 6.
1 by
1
6.
upon 6.
But 1 by 6 is not the answer
Okay.
because it's given neither nor. Okay. So probability of E bar will
Okay.
be 1 minus probability of that. So 1 minus 1 by 6, which will be 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
So 5 by 6 is the
Okay.
answer and
Option B.
1 by 6 is not the answer. 1 by 6 is the
Okay.
answer only if it is either or,
Either or.
but
Yes.
it's neither nor.
The 5 by 6.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Try the next question. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability that head and tail show alternately?
Yeah. So I can't understand.
Sorry, you can
Question.
understand. What you can
So
understand?
I don't understand.
What is the probability that head
Like
and
I
tail?
don't understand the question.
You didn't understand the position. This H T H T H T.
No, I didn't understand the question.
Question itself you cannot able to understand. Okay. There are 3 coins and you toss those coins simultaneously. Okay. If you toss a coin,
Okay.
what are the possibilities outcome you can get? You can get either a head or a tail, right?
Head or tail? Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
so
sir.
there are 2 possibilities, correct? And how many coins are
Yeah.
there? 3 coins.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir. 3 coins.
3 coins. So what will be the sample space? Sample space
6
will be
and 6 raised to power n.
6 raised to the power n.
2 raised to power.
Beautiful.
2 raised to power
6
3.
raised to the power n is absolutely wrong.
8.
You
8.
you got
The
how
answer will be 8.
you got the logic of why I calculated 2 cube.
So this 8 will be total outcomes. Now we have to calculate head or tail like
Head.
in one outcome only or
Head
differently.
would come.
HHH is one head, HTH.
Read the question again. You'll get the answer. What does the question say? What is the probability that head and tail show alternatively? So you need to consider all the 3 cases, right? All the 3 coins.
Yes, sir.
This is coin 1,
Okay.
this is coin 2, and this is coin 3. Okay. And there are some certain possibilities.
Sir, 2 calls.
Head, tail, something like that. It goes on. So you have 8 possibilities.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
The head will show
Yes, sir.
alternatively.
Correct.
Okay. So I guess.
First tell me.
So it will
First
be 2 by.
2 by.
No, 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 no. Okay, sir.
You
No,
first
no, 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 sir.
you
My
first you
mistake.
first write the sample space. You will get the answer. What are the possibilities? Head is one possibility. Tail.
TTT.
Correct. Then
THT.
Wait, I'll write.
THT.
HT.
TT. Okay.
Okay.
THH.
TTH, HTT,
THH.
DH.
And
DHH.
HTH.
that's it. HTS I had already given. So sample space is 8. In this,
8.
choose the situation where you get head and tail that is showing alternatively. Head, or tail,
One,
something like that.
2. So 2. So 2 upon 8, which is 1 by 4.
2 upon 8, which is
Hmm.
1 by 4. 1 by 4 is correct.
1 by.
See
Oh,
one
I got it.
only one logic. Okay, if you write the sample space for any question, you will get the answer.
Okay.
Writing the sample space is only the real challenge. Okay, once you are done with the sample space, it's very easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next question. The man's
The
monthly
man's
salary.
monthly
Shamant, did you understood the
is
logic
24.
for the previous question? Shamant,
Man monthly.
Monthly expenses and charges.
Man's monthly salary. Monthly expense. Established central angle. We.
Yes.
Shamant, you do this problem. Okay.
37.5.
Shamant, coming back to sample space. Sample space is nothing but the total number of cases. 1 minute, Ananya. Okay. 1 minute. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Sample space is nothing but the total number of possible cases for any event that is occurring. Okay. For example, if you throw a die, one die you are having, and if you throw a die, what are the possible numbers that you can get from a die? Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Correct. So only 6 possibilities are there. That 6 is called the sample space of that particular event. Okay. If you throw a coin, if you toss a coin, there are only two possibilities, right? Head or tail. So the sample space for tossing one coin is 2. Okay, got it? This is called sample space. Okay, so you understood the problem? Do you know how to you got the logic? How I calculated the probability? Probability is nothing but favorable cases by sample space. Favorable case is nothing but favorable case depends upon the question that is asked in each and every question. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, Ananya, tell me the answer for this question.
So even I also got
30.
30,
37,
37. And 1.5.
37,
And 1.5. That is 37.5.
37.5.
37. That is
Okay.
37
Okay.
and a half.
Okay.
1 by 2, 37 1 by 2.
Yeah, Ananya, tell me how you got 37.5. Can you explain?
Yes,
I
sir.
can.
The formula for finding central angle is frequency upon total frequency into 360. So that will be 250 upon 2400 into 360. And the answer will be 37 and 1 by 2.
Okay. So 250 by 2400 into
Into
360,
360.
because it is
360.
called
Yeah.
travel expenses, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I twist the question, what will be the central angle of a sector representing the savings in the pie chart?
Savings.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sir.
Savings. Okay. Savings would be 20.
हाँ वो तो है ही। और अभी तक कंप्लेंट भी नहीं आई तो उसका मतलब या तो हो गया है या
1 minute, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
क्योंकि उसके अकाउंट में 250 दिया है, 250 दिया है, राइट? वो लगा है वो लोग
It will be 15.
This is the answer. 360 degrees minus 37.5 gives you the central angle
So
for
that
this
will be 322.5.
322.5. Correct? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Because savings plus expense is equal to salary. Correct?
Alex. Yes, sir.
That's it. Total salary will be 360 degrees. Expenses is 37.5, which we found. I asked the savings. So savings will be naturally 360 degrees minus 37.5 degrees, which is nothing but
37.5.
322.5 degrees. Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Try the next question. It's, it's pretty straightforward because the data is already arranged
Sir,
in
I
the
got the answer.
it's already arranged in the ascending order. So it's very easy. So highest observation is
Can I
7.
tell?
Yeah, tell me. What is the
Sir,
answer?
I also
26.
26 is correct. It's very easy. 71
yes,
is the
sir.
highest and the
Yes,
lowest will
sir.
be x, that is equal
Minus
to
71
45.
minus
So x will be
minus
71
x is
minus
equal
45. So x will be equal to
26.
26.
to 26.
Okay. X is 26, right? You got x is equal to 26.
Yes, sir.
Can you calculate the mean?
26.
Can you calculate the mean for this data? Mean value?
Mean. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the answer.
Okay.
What can be the value of mean? Shamant, are you getting the answers? Just reply me in chat box. No.
Sir, I forgot what was mean.
Mean you need to find.
Mean.
Mean is what? What's the formula for calculating the mean?
So that only I'm asking. I just forgot.
Sir, I
Sum of the
sir,
sum of the total
some of the number of
sum of the observations divided by the total observations. That will give you mean, correct?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Arithmetic mean.
26 plus 38. Okay. 22, 26, 40. Plus 20 times 11. Yes. 4, 6, 22, 29, 96.
I'll explain, Shaman.
6, or what? 150. This will come in point
Point.
Not it's okay. You can say the answer.
49 point something.
49 point something. 49 point something.
Yes,
What is
sir.
that? 49 point
49.3.
3. Okay, whatever. Shaman,
333 is going on.
333.
3 bars.
Okay.
49.33.
So mean is Shamant. Mean is nothing but total number of sum of observations divided by number of observations. Here the observations, number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And total will be 26 plus 32
96.
plus 41 plus 62 plus 64 plus 71 divided by 6. So this total will give you
Total is
296
96.
by 6, which is nothing but if you calculate that you will get the answer 49 point something.
49.33.
Hey, Shaman, Okay, I'll say easy way. You calculated. How did you do the additions? Traditional method.
Yes, sir.
Don't do that.
Same, adding all the terms.
Don't do that. 26, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is there any trick?
Yeah, that is correct. But I'll tell you something. Take 20 from here. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 plus 60 is
90,
1. 90 plus 60 is 1.
150,
150 plus
150,
150 plus 60 is 210.
Sir, I've done this
210,
only.
210,
210,
280,
210, 200, 280. Now,
280.
then when you add all add the numbers that are left over. 1 plus 4 plus
Unity.
2 plus 1 plus 2 plus
Yes,
6.
sir.
That's it. That is the easiest way.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Don't sit and calculate. Don't
Yes,
sit
sir.
and add the numbers. Convert them into
Yes,
multiples
sir.
of 10. Calculate that easily. Then add the missing numbers. That's it. That will give you the answer straightforward. That is time consuming also.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Take this problem.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to direct and indirect variations. Match the following. If x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 and x2 is equal to 7.2, y1 is 8.8, y2 is 3.6, then x1 is equal to what? They have given all the values. You need to substitute and get the answer. That's it. Very easy problem.
Sir, that is 7.2 y1 x2.
Two is
Okay, okay, okay.
X2 is
Got it.
given, y1, y2 is given. We need to find the x1.
Okay. Um, 8.8. Okay. Hmm. 88. Uh,
Why you are taking too much time? Hmm?
we are uh, wait, wait, wait. 7.6.
Equal to 8.8 by
Got it.
3.6. Ananya, did you notice,
yeah, is it?
students, did you notice one thing? This is a pretty straightforward question. See, 3.6 into 2 gives you 7.2. Correct. So the
Yes,
answer is
sir.
8.8 into 2. That's it.
8.22.
17.6.
17.6.
So
Yes.
P is equal to 2. Okay, next question. Next question, tell me whether it is direct variation or indirect variation.
Sir,
So you took something wrong.
not really.
I took something
So
wrong.
I'm writing
Which
is
one?
x1 upon 8.8, right?
How can it be 8.8?
Because y1 value is given as
Okay.
8.8.
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
whatever.
I think this will be direct variation.
1 minute, Ananya. See, you're not getting one logic. See, this is nothing but this can also be written as x1 by x2 equal to y1 by
Okay,
y2.
okay.
Both are
Yes,
same.
sir, yes, sir.
Both are same, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Next one will be direct variation. Correct, Ananya. Now tell me the answer.
Mission
Sir, this will
calculator.
be 2700.
1800 is 6. So 9 will be what? X. That's it.
X.
X will
1800
be,
upon X is equal to 6.
this will be 300. 300 into
2700.
2700. Yeah, Ananya, correct. Try the next problem. What? It will be,
Yes, 8 oranges cost for
next one is direct or indirect.
Indirect.
Why?
indirect.
Why? Why? It is
Sir,
direct.
because this is
Ananya, you're not getting the logic. See
Yes,
that
sir.
if something is decreasing, that doesn't mean that it is an indirect variation. Okay,
okay.
you just need to check out the value. See, oranges
Okay, sir.
is equal to this one, right? See,
Yes.
if the number of oranges increases, rate will increase. If the number of oranges decreases, the rate will decrease. Correct? It is direct
Yes,
variation
sir.
only. No, how
Yes,
can you
sir.
say as indirect variation? In that case,
I think it will be 13.
13. 13 is correct. Are you sure? Yeah, it is 13.
Yes, sir. Because it has to decrease the uh, total, the cost of 8 oranges is 20.80, and we have options left as
Yes,
13 and 63. So 13 should be
yes, sir.
there.
It's 13 is
Because
the answer.
the cost of 5 oranges will be less than 20.80.
Logic.
Yes,
Super.
yes, sir. 13.
Super. This is what I want. Last one will be.
1.
Sir.
Last one is direct or indirect. Hello, I know it is 63. You tell me what is that? Leftover option is 63 only. I know you people are very smart.
45, 45,
My question is this
20.
only.
Sir,
Whether it
this
is.
is
In,
indirect.
This is indirect.
uh,
I explained you, no, Ananya, yesterday. Same logic. See,
Yes, sir.
you're doing a piece of work with this manpower. Okay. If you increase the manpower, naturally the
Yes.
time taken to complete the work will decrease, right?
Yes.
So increase in men reduces the number of days. So they are indirect.
Increase manpower.
Increase in
Okay.
manpower, that will reduce the number of days in completion of the work. So indirect.
Yes.
Okay. Shamant, are it, did you
yes,
get
sir.
did you get all the questions? Shamant? Okay, fine. Shamant
Sir,
says
he,
yes, sir. Okay.
sir, he muted himself.
No, he muted just because of the fact that uh, his audio is not working. So he muted. But he can hear me.
Okay,
That's how the communication is going on.
okay. Answer can specify.
Okay. Yes.
Sir, I got option C.
Option
6, C. Option C.
68.
68.
60 years. Are you
No
sure?
calculation.
Okay, first tell me whether it is direct or indirect variation.
Sir, it's direct.
Direct only, right?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes.
he stitches X shirts in 3 by 4 minutes.
And
Okay,
3 by 4 of an hour.
so 3 by
3
4
by
of an
4
hour is
into 6.
3 by 4 into
3
60,
by 4 into 60.
which is
So
That
we'll
will
do.
be 45.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So the answer will
Yes,
be
sir.
what? Let it be T. Okay, so T is equal to
Yes, sir.
45x by 3 by
45.
4, which is
3
nothing
by 4.
but 45x by 3 into 4. This is
Is
15x,
that
Yes,
will be 60. 15 into 4, 60.
60x.
X.
So 60x is the answer.
yes, sir.
Good. I asked this question because most of them will get confused here. 3/4 of an hour. They'll just 3/4 of the minutes, 3/4, then they'll say only X as the answer. They don't see the logic that
Okay.
3/4 of an hour, we need to convert the 3/4 of an hour into minutes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
most of the students do mistake that. That's why I gave this problem. Good. Shamant, you got the logic, Shamant. Okay. Try this question. He seems to not be replying to me. Okay. Try this question. A can do a job in 6 days. B alone can do it in 8 days, and C
We
alone
can do.
in 24 days. A and P together are paid 350 rupees. How much money is paid
Yes,
to
sir.
C?
To C. C24. Wait.
First of all, tell me whether it is direct or indirect variation.
Uh, direct.
Direct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the more the number of hours you work, more payment you will get. Correct?
Yes.
Direct. So the
Then this
ratio of the payment will be what? 1 day's work will be what? 1/6 is to 1/8 is to
1/8.
1/24.
1/24.
How will you convert this fractional ratios into normal ratios? You need to take the
LCM.
LCM, right? LCM of 6, 8 and 24 is what?
Uh,
It's 24.
Yes, sir.
So you need to multiply each term by 24.
24.
And it will be what? Tell me quickly.
6.
4/24.
6, 4. 4.
Hmm.
3.
8/3.
1.
Okay. So
4/24.
it is given that B and A and B together are paid 350 rupees. Okay. So there are totally 8 parts. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 8 parts. Correct.
Yes,
In
sir.
that
Yes.
4 plus 3 is equal to 7 parts. 7 parts is equal
Yes.
to 350 rupees. So one part is what?
Okay.
350 or
Sir, that
7.
will be
50. Option A
50.
50.
50. So one part is 50. So C is having one part only, right?
Yes,
So
sir. So,
Yes.
C will be paid 50 rupees. So answer is A.
Please.
Shamant, rest of the people do the next problem. Shamant, A. Yeah, correct Shamant. Try the next problem. System problem. Try that. Okay. Pipe A can fill it in 12 minutes. Correct.
12 minutes.
So in 1 minute
yes,
it can
sir.
1 minute it can fill 1/12. Correct.
1/12.
So pipe B will be 16 minutes. Okay.
16 minutes.
So
1 minute. 1/16.
yeah.
16th.
So it can fill it in 1/12, 1/16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If both are open together, so it can fill it in So 1 by t can be written as is equal to total time when both are open together. It will be 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the LCM of 12 and 16?
This is right. Total of is it 48.
So 1 by t is equal to 7 by 48. So t will be equal to 48 by 7. What is the answer?
7.
It
Okay.
is
7,
point.
6 the 42. 6 and 6 by 7 minutes.
6 by 7 minutes. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Got the logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Try next problem. Tell me whether it is direct variation or indirect variation. Shaman, last question, you got the logic?
20 of yes.
Tell me whether it is direct or indirect variation.
Sir, I think
Front wheel of a horse carriage makes 144 revolutions while the hind wheel makes 98 revolutions. If the diameter of the front wheel is 72, diameter of hind wheel is what?
indirect. Indirect.
Indirect? Indirect?
Yes, sir.
Inverse variation? Correct? Can you explain why?
Yes.
Yes,
Um, Sir, because uh, yeah, uh, it, uh, just a minute.
Tell me.
So, because sir, carriage makes 144 revolutions when the diameter of its front wheel is 72 centimeter, but wheel makes 98 revolutions. Uh, uh, so
that is one.
I'm not getting how to explain.
Not getting why it is inverse.
It is 109 option.
Option is 108. I just want to know whether it is direct or indirect, inverse. That is the main thing. If you find that, then you can get the answer easily, man. 144 says 72. Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
98 will be X. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So it's inverse variation. So 144 into 72 by 98. You will get the answer. That will be 108 centimeter. But my question is why it is inverse?
So because the diameter of the hinge wheel is more and is revolution and the revolutions made by the hinge wheel is less and the front wheel makes 144 revolutions when its diameter is 72.
Okay. It is what she told exactly. See, it is given. It is making 144 revolutions, and the diameter of the front wheel is 72. So obviously, the diameter of the hind wheel will be more, and it makes less
Because
revolution.
the
Yes,
options are
options are also greater. That is one. That is one thing, and another logic is that the revolutions keep on decreasing when the diameter is increased.
yes.
Correct. Correct. Increase in diameter, there will be a decrease in revolutions. Inversely proportional. That's why it's called inverse variation. Correct. People, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Anirudh, getting it? Anirudh,
No, I don't understand what you said.
I
I
said,
understand right now it is both.
you understood now? Just think,
Yeah.
Anirudh. You just think. You'll get the logic. Okay.
134. Oh,
If it is direct variation, then you should do 144x is equal to 72 into 98. But it is not direct variation. That's why I taken
okay.
these two and these two. Okay,
Okay.
that is not a problem. Okay,
Okay.
the problem is this only, understanding whether it is inverse or direct. That is only the problem.
Okay.
Just think just
Okay,
think
sir.
the number of revolutions and the diameter, they are inversely proportional. Okay,
Okay.
correct.
Hmm.
Because total circumference covered is equal to what? Number of revolutions into circumference. Correct.
Circumference.
Total distance
Over.
that is covered. Okay, so
Hmm.
2r is nothing but d, or distance is equal to n into pi d, correct,
Yes, sir. Yes.
or diameter is equal to
Yes.
distance by pi into n,
I
correct.
into it.
So d
Hmm.
is inversely proportional to 1 by n, correct. Inversely proportional to n, or d
Yes,
is
sir.
proportional to 1 by n.
Invertible.
That's the logic. Got it? Ananya, got it?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Okay, try the next question.
People can completely
Shamant, understood the previous question?
after 10 days, 15 minutes to
After 10 days, 15
Okay, Shaman says yeah. Okay. 550 people can complete a work in 100 days. After 10 days, 50 more people joined. How many more days the work will be completed? It's a nice question actually, this one. First of all, tell me whether it is direct or indirect variation. People, students,
Uh,
tell me whether it is direct or indirect.
Sir, it is like indirect.
Yeah, it is indirect only. Why indirect? As I said, the number of
because uh, sir, because
Hmm.
550 people complete the work in 100 days, and if 50 more people have joined, so the work will be completed in less number of days.
more number of manpower is added, so the number of work, so number of days to
Days will
complete the work
decrease.
decrease, inversely proportional. Simple. Now tell me,
Yes.
how to approach this problem.
Equal to after 10 days. Okay. So this after 10 days,
Yes.
uh, that only I am not understanding. After 10 days, after completing the 100 days, after that we have to count the 10 days, or
No. Total work is 100. Total work to complete is 100 days. Okay. They are keeping on doing the work, and after 10 days, 50 more people are joined to fasten the work.
okay.
Okay. So if we increase the number of men after 10 days, so what will be the total number of days to complete the work? It will naturally decrease, right?
Hello?
It will naturally decrease, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
See, I'll tell you.
Okay.
After 10 days,
So I just I'm gonna get it.
after 10 days, 550 people, 550 people can complete the work in 100 minus 10. Correct? 90 days. 550 people can complete the work in 90 days after 10 days. Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
50 people have joined. So 550 plus 50 will be what? 600 people.
600.
600 people. So
Yes, sir. 500.
if you use unitary method, you'll get 550 people can complete in 90 days. So one people can complete the work in
90 upon
not 90 upon 90
550.
90 into 550.
90 into 550.
90 into 550 because it is inversely proportional. Correct?
Mm.
Yes. 90 into 550.
Correct. Now 600 people
Yes, sir.
can complete in how many days? That's it.
Okay.
You need to inverse it. Okay? That's the key. X will be X will be 90 into 550 by 600. Okay? And it is not into 600 because they are inversely proportional. Be careful with that. I
Yes,
repeat, be
sir.
careful with it. Okay? So this will be
So
nothing
it's
but
82 and
82 and a half. Yeah.
1 by 2.
Shamant, correct Shamant. 82 and a half. He understood.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. Anirudh, are you getting it? Anirudh?
Yes, sir. I'm getting it.
Okay. They are inversely proportional, Anirudh, so you should not multiply. You need to divide.
But you should divide
You
them.
need divide because they are inversely proportional. Got it?
Proportional.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Try next question. If x varies inversely to y and x is equal to 4 when y equal to 6, the value of y when x is 3, x is inversely proportional to y. Okay, so this is the value
Yes,
of
sir.
x will be 4 and y is 6. So value of y
Sir,
when
I got the answer.
what's the answer?
8.
8 is correct. 8 is correct. Can you explain? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
4 into 6 is equal
Uh,
to 3 into x. That's it.
X. So, sir,
Yes.
4 upon 3 is
4 into
equal to X upon 6 because this is inversely proportional.
Correct. So
yes.
this will be
And
there.
that will be 4 into 6 upon 3 is equal to X.
Correct.
That is okay.
Yes.
Correct. So x will be 8.
Okay.
Try the next problem. Next problem.
75.
Next problem is much more simpler. By seeing the answer, by seeing the only we can say the answer.
1 by X. Okay. 1 by this. Uh, this will be 25.
25 is the answer. It's easy.
Yes, sir. 25.
It's pretty simple.
1.
Right.
1
So
by
1 by x the whole
But
square is equal
25.
to,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this is nothing but 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 cube, which is nothing but 1 by 5 power 4. Correct. So x square is equal to 5
Yes,
power
sir.
4. X will be equal to
125. Oh, sorry. 25.
Square root of 1 by 4.
which is 5 square, which is 25. Got it?
Okay.
Yes,
Perfect.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that's it. I'll end the session now. Just tell me how did you feel the course? I'll start with Ananya first, then Anirudh can answer, then Shamant. Shamant, you can type Shamant. Today is the last session, and it got over, and you just need to tell me how do you feel about the course and the classes. Was it very helpful to you or something like that? You type it and you can send it in chat box. Meanwhile, okay, I'll start with Anirudh first. Anirudh, tell me how was the course and how was my teaching? Is that something I need to improve on my teaching or something like that? You can chat openly now, no
No,
problem.
okay. So actually these classes were interesting and it's helpful itself. I got to know learn new things also, and what?
And it will be more
Hmm.
interesting. It will be more interesting if you do the assignments. Okay,
Yes, sir.
do the assignments
Yes.
and post me the doubts in the WhatsApp group. Okay, it will be always
Okay.
active only. It's nothing that once the course is over we'll be disconnected. It's nothing like that. Group is already
Okay.
created. You post the doubts in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so that I will answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
sir. Okay.
Okay, what else?
Okay.
What else?
Sure, sir.
What else you want to say? Did you fill the feedback?
No, sir. I'm filling it today itself.
Okay, just fill the feedback. The link is already been sent to your
Yes.
mail ID.
Send to me. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's already
I
been
know.
sent.
I'll sir.
Okay, fine. What else you want to say? Did you
Mm,
did you did you did you face any different challenging questions during the sessions, or was it a very easy and straightforward
yes, sir.
questions?
There was many. No, sir. It wasn't straightforward questions. Like it was tough also, and I got to learn new things
Good things.
because of
Okay.
these hard questions.
Actually, Anirudh, you have seen me, right? I have come to
Yes, sir.
your school. Which school?
Air Force School, Jalali East itself.
Air Force
I've seen you,
Jalandhar.
sir.
Okay. You had attended
Yes,
my
sir.
workshop, right? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. No problem. How was the workshop, by the way? No?
Sir, it was good, sir.
It was good? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, okay. Now, Shamant is asking where to fill the feedback. Shamant, uh, feedback link is being sent to your mail ID. You go to your mail ID, check your mail, and then there will be a link. You click on that link. In that link, there will be several questions. You just need to click on the options. Okay, and you need to, at the end, you need to submit.
मैंने आंसर दे दिया था
Okay? Okay.
नहीं ये
Yeah,
ये
Ananya.
क्वेश्चन कर लिया
Yeah, Ananya, tell me. Now you start.
yes sir the sessions were very good very interesting I faced many challenging questions
Okay.
uh
Was it interactive?
yes sir
It was interactive or it was
and that WhatsApp group idea was also very good
WhatsApp group idea? Okay. What else?
sir mm,
I want you people also to talk among
you,
yourself in the WhatsApp group. Share some nice
Yes,
sir,
questions and
you are a very good teacher and you are very patient
patient. Okay. Thanks for that.
yes
Thanks for that.
patient and helpful very helpful
Okay. I hope the group will be active. You can post any kind of question that you come across, any interesting question. Okay.
okay
Not related to only IMO. Even after IMO is over, if you want to take up any Olympiad and you find that some questions are tough,
okay
take a pic, post it in WhatsApp. Okay. I'll try to
yes,
okay
sir.
sir
definitely. I can't immediately reply, but I'll definitely reply within some time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
okay sir
Stay in touch with
Okay.
the students. Okay, that is all I want. Keep the group active. Post some interesting
Yes, sir.
questions if you some come across.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
also daily give you some questions so that you can
Okay,
improve your knowledge. Anirudh and Shamant, please do the assignments and send it to us. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, students. Take care. Okay. All the best for your IMO
yes sir
exams. Do well. Okay. Post
Thank
your
you.
yes sir
doubts anytime you want in the group. Okay. I'll
yes
reply.
sir
Okay, bye.
Thank you,
Sessions
sir.
were very good and I have developed max. Okay, Shamant. Nice to hear that. Shamant, do the assignments and send it to me. Also do fill the feedback form. Okay? Okay. Bye. Bye, Anirudh.
Goodbye,
Okay.
sir.
Goodbye. Not goodbye. Say a bye, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take care. All the best for IMO exam. Good evening. Bye. Bye. Take care.